Promoting products on Amazon Associates involves strategic marketing tactics to drive traffic and generate commissions. Join Amazon Associates. Sign up for the Amazon Associates program to access affiliate links for products you wish to promote. Select relevant products. Choose products aligned with your niche, audience interests, or content theme. Focus on items that resonate with your audience and have good reviews. Create quality content. Develop engaging content such as blog posts, reviews, comparison articles, or videos discussing the products. Highlight their features, benefits, and why your audience should consider buying them. Optimize affiliate links. Integrate affiliate links naturally within your content. Use text links, buttons, or images that direct users to the Amazon product pages. Utilize multiple platforms. Share your content across various platforms including your website, blog, social media, YouTube, or email newsletters. Tailor your approach to fit each platform and audience. Incorporate call to actions. Encourage users to click on your affiliate links by including clear and persuasive calls to action in your content. Track performance. Use Amazon Associates reporting tools to track clicks, conversions, and earnings. Analyze which products or content types drive the most commissions and optimize your strategy accordingly. Compliance with policies. Ensure compliance with Amazon's terms and policies, including disclosure requirements for affiliate links to maintain credibility and trust with your audience.